pecan.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm doing this video all by myself because Bo's at work today, so it's just me and the kids. And I'm going to be making banana bread. And it's not just any banana bread. It's like knock your socks off, the most delicious banana bread you will ever eat in your life. So I've tried a lot of different recipes and nothing compares to this recipe. And I cannot take credit for this amazing recipe. I got it from one of our really good friends in Alabama. Every time we go to their house, she makes her banana bread, and it is so moist and so delicious. And it's one of our favorites, and Bo loves it, which is really saying something because, as the kids know, he is one of the world's pickiest eaters, which Bo has a lot of really great qualities. But there's one thing that just drives me crazy about being married to him, and he's picky, and I'm not picky at all. So we have to eat the same things over and over because he won't try new things, and it's really annoying. Anyway, besides the point. But he loves this banana bread recipe, and he's not really big on sweets. He likes chocolate pie is about the only dessert he really likes to eat, right? Which, oddly enough, I have a chocolate pie made in the fridge. But, Bo, you will never know that until you see this because it's going to someone else. I'm actually making dinner. I've been busy in the kitchen today. I am making dinner for one of our friends from church. They had their baby this week, and so we are making them dinner tonight. So I've got pulled pork in the crock pot, and we're going to have I'm going to make little sliders, pulled pork sliders, and corn on the cob, and baked beans. And I made them a chocolate pie. But, sorry, Bo, I'm trying to help you on this diet you're on. So he's trying to get fit and healthier, and I'm over here getting fatter. So I told him he needs to wait and get fat with me, and then we can get skinny together. But anyway, he's been trying to eat healthier, so I'm giving the chocolate pie to them. But I am making this banana bread because I love to eat this for breakfast, and I made this earlier this week, and I pretty much ate the whole thing by myself. It's so good. Anyway, it's so easy. You're gonna think I'm a cheater by showing you these ingredients, but trust me, get these ingredients and make it. And when you do make it, come back on this video and tell me what you think, because it is seriously the yummiest. So we have baby kitties. So our first ingredient, I'm gonna show you the ingredients, is this Duncan Hines perfectly moist banana supreme. Sorry I'm saying the word moist. I know that word kind of freaks people out. It like gives them the heebie-jeebies, but I don't know what else. I don't know what word else to say. So you get this cake mix. Oh, there it goes. Just got it at our local grocery store. And all you do is you follow the directions on the back, which is, so get focus, a cup of water, 3 eggs, and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. But I do change this. It says a cup of water, but I do a 1.5 cups of water instead of a cup. So we put the cake mix in, 1.5 cups of water, 3 eggs, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I forgot to get the vegetable oil. Can you get it out for me?
Yeah.
So we put that in there, and then we mix in a box of instant jello. Oh, focus. Why aren't you focusing? Ugh. Okay, well, it's not gonna focus. Banana cream instant jello. And I'll put all of the ingredients down in the description box, so you'll have them there. And then a ripe banana. So, and oh, last but not least, my most favorite part, which Hallie does not like these, pecans. And you can just add, it says a cup, but just however many you like. And then once we get that mixed up, I actually cook it in a bundt cake pan on 350 for an hour. So we're gonna go ahead and get all of this stuff mixed up.
I gotta stir it.
And Hallie's gonna be our stirrer. So first we're gonna add in our cake mix. Okay, so we've got our cake mix. We are gonna put in 1.5 cups of water.
Smells like banana bread already. Oh my, it's all floating.
We're gonna put in 1/3 cup of oil. Oh, that panther.
Egg.
3 eggs. 1.
Can I do a second one?
No. Don't want any shells.
Especially muddy
2.
shells. Muddy shells.
Kids actually picked these eggs this morning out of the chicken coop. 3. Okay.
Banana.
Okay, we got our ripe banana.
What do I do, Mama?
Nothing right now, bub.
What can I do, though?
And we're gonna add in our box of instant jello.
Hey, you have a little banana peel in there.
Oh, oops, sorry. Thanks, Hallie.
I'm gonna lick those things. Me too.
Get it in there. Okay, mix it up.
I'll take it to someone.
Okay, House, if you will dump the pecans in there for me.
How much?
Just all of them.
Oh my, you want I licked it,
We
Mama.
only have half a bag left. Dump, dump, dump.
Can I stir them? Can I stir the pecans? I'm gonna stir it with
Here,
this.
we're gonna do it with this so it gets really incorporated here. Got it? Why'd you turn it off?
Ah!
Got it? Don't let go of it, keep it down. Okay. Ah, don't pick it up. If you pick it up, batter will go everywhere. See how you sprayed me? Oh. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all mixed up. And we are gonna pour it into this pan. I've got it all greased already.
That's yummy.
It is so yummy.
I'm gonna eat with some nuts in it.
Seriously, the best banana bread. Okay, we've got it in our pan. And now we're just gonna stick it in the oven. All right, we've got our oven preheated to 350. And I'm just gonna stick this in there. We'll see it in an hour. I'm gonna set my timer because I will totally forget. While we're waiting, kids, we better go out and... What are you guys doing in there?
Just snack on
We gotta go out and feed the animals. Ready?
Let's play. I just don't want that goat to get me again. It hurt. It was stabbing its horns at me. And I had to get its horns and push it away. And you something like this to its horns. Boom!
Oh my. Oh, let's check on this pulled pork while we're in here.
What is this pulled pork? Is this the thing we're gonna make?
It smells so good.
It smells good. Looks yummy.
Smells good, doesn't it? Alright. The last 2 days, it's been like 40 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts and so cold. And there is like hardly any wind today. There's Ruth and Eeyore. There's our ram that we're getting all the name suggestions from. Looks like Rambo's the most popular. Okay, hang on, let me through. Let go. Oh, you don't Hey, 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 dude. Oh my gosh. Come on, Thor. Oh, I just separated poop again every time I come in here. Chicky chicks. Hey, dude, this is chicken food. What are you doing? Go away. Oh my gosh. Get. Hey, chicks. You guys hungry? Where's your feathers going? Are you molting? Spread that out. Oh, now he's going for Thor's food. Oh, Thor's gonna get him. Yeah, don't mess with his food. Alright, it has been an hour. Let's open it up and take a look. Oh, doesn't that smell so good, house? Oh my, so delicious. Okay, we are gonna let it cool off, which is the hardest part, is waiting for it to cool off, and then we will dump it out of the pan and slice her up. It's a little close up. Sorry, I'm not very good at getting this camera. So delicious. So we are finishing up dinner here. Got the corn on. Oh, Hallie's on the hoverboard with a rabbit. Oh my gosh. She's really good on the hoverboard, so don't be worried. And we've got some beans and some corn on the cob. So finishing up dinner, we're gonna run that over to their house in about 30 minutes, and then we'll come home and slice up the banana bread and take a bite and let you know how it is. So stay tuned. Oh, and I meant to add, sorry for the hot mess express look going on today. It's Saturday. It was a long week. It was my first week back at school, like full week. I'm a teacher, for those who don't know. I teach 3rd and 4th grade, 2 grades, all subjects. So I'm like back and forth between both grades all day, and I am like so pooped by the time I get home. So the house was a disaster from this week. The laundry was overflowing. The kitchen was a disaster. The floor, just everything. It was bad in here. So today, wrap the hair up, throw the sweatshirt on, and I've been cleaning and cooking and trying to get things in order for this week. So, but I wanted to say thank you to all those who have been asking how I've been feeling and praying for me. And I have been feeling a lot better, as in not getting sick. Just tired is all I feel, but you know, that's normal. But I feel a lot, don't run off the kitty, Holly. I feel a lot better than I did before. So thank you for always checking on me and all of that. I appreciate it. I do see all the comments. I read them all. So thank you so much. And we'll see you back in just a bit. Hey kids, what you watching?
What?
What are you watching?
I don't know what it's called, but
It's the Max. We're watching the Max.
it's funny. Yeah, they're doing
The Bean Boozled.
Yeah.
Oh, look who's home from work.
Daddy, we're watching this.
They're watching the Max.
Oh yeah? What was the? How'd they get
What'd you bring
bamboozled?
home?
How'd they get bamboozled?
What?
The video. Notification said they got bamboozled.
That's what they're watching. Now they want to do it. I'm like, oh great. Daddy's doing that one.
No.
Cause we can get that fish.
You can go what?
That fish.
Yum. Sounds delicious.
What's Mama got going?
Okay, well, we have our finished banana bread. We just need to slice it and show them the inside.
That's the girl I want to win.
Cool.
Yeah. So you want to do the honors?
Sure.
No, there's a bread slicer in there.
already died.
One of those.
6 times the charm.
Oh yeah.
Mama, can you hurry up and get me some?
Phil, look at that. Look how moist and
It is
soft
the most moist banana bread.
Here you go, Hunter.
Let's go. What's that?
Daddy's watching this carb intake.
Look at mine. Banana bread.
It's got pecans in it. She won't eat it. She's a weirdo.
No.
Good?
Can't even touch the pecan. Can't even touch the pecan. Can't even touch the pecan.
Good?
Well, yeah, why you just tell me? It's good.
Okay, we are finishing up dinner. They're chowing down back there. How was it?
Done.
She loves corn on the cob. All right, well, I finished my dinner, and I got me a slice of banana bread with some butter on it, 'cause that's the way I like it. So,
some salt in my ear.
thank
Is
you
that
guys.
what's hitting me? Yeah.
Thank you guys for tuning in tonight. I hope
You
you...
all wet, sissy, when you're eating that corn.
Oh, gosh. Corn
Chew like
juice.
a beaver. Chew like a beaver.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out this recipe. Like I said, we'll have the ingredients and all that in the description box. Let me know if you try it. I'm telling you, it's like knock your socks off banana bread. So good, the best ever.
Knock your socks off.
It
Oh,
is
yeah?
so good.
It's
I told
moist.
them.
It's the moistest banana bread you'll ever eat.
See, that's what I said. I said I've tried a lot of different recipes, and this is by far the best. And the word moist freaks some people out. That word, like,
But it's
I hate that word, but I
moist.
don't know what other word to use.
It's moist.
It's so good. Anyway, so
Juicy.
try it out.
Juicy.
You won't regret it. Let me know if you do and how you like it. And let me know if you want to see more cooking videos or anything like this. Maybe we can do some
More
more.
videos with her in them and not my ugly
Now
brother.
that I'm feeling better. Anyway, I still feel weird behind this camera, but you know, I guess you gotta practice. So anyway, I hope you guys have a good night. Make sure you like and subscribe.
And
ring that notification bell.
Notification bell.
Pregnancy brain. Speaking of which, pregnancy cravings. That's what I've been craving. That and Chinese food. It's like my cravings right now.
Oh.
Which is bad because he hates Chinese food. But I had it for lunch today. I had fried rice and beef and broccoli. It was so good. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good day. And we'll see you next time.